48 out of 122. Can you believe it? For smart money to blockchain freedom. Wow. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of October, 2025. And take a guess where I was today in London, UK. You guessed it. I was at the London Blockchain Conference. Wow. Well, if anybody's watching my video, I recommend you go there tomorrow. There's another day. What a fantastic event. Well organized. Down there by Battersea Power Station. Very good organization. Free coffee, free drinks at the end. But I left before that anyway. So what did I get out of the day? Okay, the speakers were fantastic. I mean, what a privilege to be there. So I'm promoting a project. Let me just see if I can start my video here, and then I'll show you my shirt. So I'll just move that video down there. Pertum. So I was talking about the Pertum blockchain, and people were so friendly because it's a blockchain conference, right? So you can always gather conversations. So people were asking, so what's so special about your blockchain? Well, it's not my blockchain. It's just that I'm promoting it. Okay. And the blockchain is called a Pertum. And they say, David, why are you so bullish about this blockchain? There's many, many blockchains. So say number one is it's taken the very, very good aspects of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's got a fixed supply. They've got 21 million coins, and they've also got a halving model that the miners get every 4 years. They get less and less coins when they solve a block, the miners. Okay. So that's one attribute that the Pertum blockchain has, is every 4 years, the miners get half of the token. So that is quite a cool model because supply and demand, right? So that's one good attribute about this Pertum blockchain. Second one is smart contracts. So Ethereum, you can develop on their smart contracts, and on the Pertum blockchain, you can also develop smart contracts. Okay. But the kicker is it's super cheap to, the gas fees are way cheaper than Ethereum. And then the third thing is that we are a tier 1 subnet of the Avalanche blockchain. Okay, and we can get speeds up to 4,500 transactions per second. So the blockchain conference, people were asking me because everybody's pitching their idea, right? And then there was another few things I mentioned was that our coin price at the moment is sitting at about 75 cents, right? And we already ranked around about 500 on coin market cap. We're only 8 months old, and the potential is massive because we've also got a DApp, a decentralized application that runs on top of the Pertum blockchain, which is quite smart, right? But it's called DAO1, right? Which is a decentralized autonomous organization. Okay. And we've got 2 products that we promote on our DAO1 where people can purchase, right? And everything's transparent. Everything's on chain. We've got our own Explorer. And the cool thing about our products is the whole thing is the coin price at the moment is 75 cents. Okay. We've got over 50,000 users or wallet addresses already registered. And our clients are people who have purchased we've got a mining bot that's on automatic. It mines the token. That's how we get the token out to people who want to purchase it, through the mining. And then we've also got an AI trading bot. So we've got 2 products that actually dollar cost average into the price. Into the coin, right? Because the whole point of this coin is you want to hodl it for 3 to 5 years. If you go back to Bitcoin, when Bitcoin got more and more popular, then the price got higher and higher, right? And with a Pertum, it could be a similar model. But what you could do is just put it in your high-risk portfolio, right? Where I believe the coin at the moment is 80 cents, between 80 and 75 cents. Where will it be in 5 years' time? Could it be $50, $100? The potential is there. go and have a look and do your research on the Apertum blockchain. Simply head over to CoinMarketCap. Simply do a search for Apertum, spelled APERTUM. As you can see here, we ranked 529. We are got 21 billion coins, 2.1 billion coins, I should say, and we are sitting at the moment at 75 cents. So I believe this project's got a lot of scope. You can also come down and you can read a bit more about the blockchain down here. What is Apertum? Apertum is the leading general one-layer blockchain in Avalanche ecosystem built to deliver high performance, scalability, long-term sustainability, EVM compatible, enabling developers to easily develop smart contracts and scale decentralized application like dApps. So we are looking for developers or companies who want to maybe tokenize, who want to start a project. Why not use our Apertum blockchain that's fast, scalable, cheap, and has a halving model? We've also got a burning model as well. So every transaction there is a burn. And I'll show you the Explorer. Well, I'll show you the products quickly. So here we got the two products. You've got the miner, where this one, the miner where it mines, and this one's the trading. Dollar cost averaging into hodling this the Apertum token, over long term, right? So that's really cool. And then you've also got I'll show you the Explorer, which is quite powerful, right? Because here you can see all the transactions, right? What's happening here? You can see all the transactions, totally transparent. Today we've already had over 20,000 transactions. We've got over 155,000 total wallet addresses. You can see the total blocks, total transactions. What more do you want, right? Transparency. And we've got a DEX, okay, where you can actually even put liquidity in. So we can go to look at our DEX here, and you can go tokens, and you can have a look at the DEX. So it's the Apertum token, and let's have a look what interest rate it's doing at the moment. Let's have a look here. So we're 10% per annum, but I have seen it as high as 100%. On average, we're looking at about 30%, okay, which is pretty cool, right? So you can put some liquidity in there. So have a look at Apertum, have a look at the links below on the video, and get yourself a DAO1 account, grab some of our smart trading bots, grab a mining bot, get into the DEX liquidity pool. And yes, I see some big growth in this project. Current price 75 cents. Put it in your high risk portfolio and hodl this token for 3 to 5 years. Awesome. Thank you. Have a good evening, and bye-bye.